Imagine cruising down the street and suddenly spotting what looks like a tiny house on a tricycle. Not a toy, not a prop, but a fully livable, moving home built onto 3 wheels. Sounds unreal, right? Well, that's exactly what Kevin Cyr brought to life with his insanely creative camper tricycle. A home that proves you don't need thousands of dollars to live free at first glance. It feels like something straight out of a dream. A miniature wooden cabin, complete with windows, doors, and even a cozy interior, all sitting perfectly balanced on a tricycle frame. But the real magic isn't just how it looks, it's how it works. This isn't just art, it's a functional lifestyle. Now think about this for a second. What if your rent was zero? What if your entire home could move with you wherever you go? That's the powerful idea behind this under $5,000 camper tricycle. It challenges everything we've been taught about needing big money for a comfortable life. Kevin didn't just build a vehicle. He built freedom that as you step closer to this tiny home on wheels, you start noticing the details. The wood finish gives it that warm, rustic vibe, almost like a countryside cabin shrunk down into a compact form. The door opens to reveal a surprisingly smart use of space. Inside, there's just enough room to sit, rest, and store essentials. It's minimal, yes, but also incredibly intentional. Every inch is designed with purpose, and that's where it gets interesting. This isn't about luxury, it's about simplicity. No unnecessary clutter, no wasted space, no heavy expenses. Just a lightweight home that gives you exactly what you need and nothing you don't. Now imagine riding this through a busy city. People stop, they stare, some smile, others pull out their phones to record. Because honestly, how often do you see a house cycling past you? But beyond the attention, there's a deeper message here that we live in a world where housing costs are skyrocketing. Rent keeps increasing, and owning a home feels out of reach for so many people. And then suddenly, something like this appears, a fully functional living space built for less than $5,000. And it makes you question everything to do we really need massive houses? Or have we just been conditioned to believe that bigger is better? Kevin Cyr's camper tricycle quietly answers that question. It shows that creativity can replace cost, that smart design can replace size, and that freedom doesn't have to come with a heavy price tag. But let's talk about the real experience. Picture waking up in this tiny home. The sunlight comes through the small window. You open the door, step outside, and wherever you parked last night, that's your new view. Maybe it's a quiet park. Maybe it's near a beach. Maybe it's right in the middle of a vibrant city. Your home didn't just sit there overnight. It traveled with you. And that feeling? That's something money usually can't buy. Of course, it's not for everyone. Living in a compact space means a